Welcome to this React Native tutorial where we will learn how to create smooth animations using the Animated API. In this video, we will build a simple animation that scales and moves an element up and down. Let's get started. First, we need to import the required dependencies. Open your React Native project and go to the app.jsx file. Let's start from a boilerplate template. At the top, import React along with the useEffect and useRef hooks. Then, import View, Stylesheet, Animated, and Easing from React Native. The Animated API allows us to create performant animations that run natively on the device. We use useRef to create references to animated values, ensuring they persist across re-renders without causing unnecessary updates. Now, inside our functional component, we will define two animated values using useRef. The first animated value, scaleAnim, controls the scaling of an element and is initialized to 1.2. The second animated value, translateY, manages vertical movement and is initialized to 0. Next, we set up our animations inside the useEffect hook. The useEffect hook runs once when the component mounts. First, we create a looping animation for scaling. We use animated.loop and pass an animated.sequence. Inside the sequence, we define two animated timing animations. The first timing animation increases the scaleAnim value to 1.4 over a duration of 2 seconds. We use an easing function to make the transition smooth. The second timing animation scales the element back down to 1.2 over another 2 seconds. The loop makes sure that this sequence continues indefinitely. After defining the scale animation, we set up another looping animation for vertical movement, using the translateY animated value. We again use animated.loop with an animated.sequence. The first timing animation moves the element down by 30 units over 2 seconds. The second timing animation moves it back up to its original position over another 2 seconds. All 4 timing animations within these sequences use the native driver for optimized performance. Now let's return the JSX for our component. We create a view container that holds 2 animated views. The first animated view will represent a block that moves up and down. We apply a transform style using the translateY animated value. The second animated view represents a circle that scales in and out. We apply a transform style using the scale animated value. Finally, we define the styles for our elements. The container has Flex1 with centered alignment and a light blue background color. We have also added padding at the top and bottom. The block is a red square with a width and height of 200. The circle is a green element with a width and height of 200 and a border radius of 100, making it round. Now let's save the file and run our project. As you can see, the red block moves up and down smoothly, while the green circle continuously scales in and out. This demonstrates how we can use the Animated API to create simple but effective animations in React Native. That concludes this tutorial. We learned how to use the Animated API, how to create looping animations with sequences, and how to apply transform styles for smooth effects. You can experiment by modifying the values or adding additional animations. Thank you for watching.